And then doing that again and again, day after day, week after week, month after month, year after year, you showing up every single day for yourself. I guarantee you will see the benefits of it down the road. You have to show up, baby. You have to put a smile on your face, and you got to be happy, and you got to really, really want it. Hey, we live now, really. What's going on, my beautiful people? Welcome back to another episode on, say it with me, the Golden Gems. What is he? Podcast. Yes, you here with the one, the only, your host, Relly. Hey, where else would you rather go? Where else would you rather be than sitting here right now with me getting these gems? What is he? Hey, make sure, before we get started, make sure you do me one favor. Come on, sit first. Do me one favor, please. Please. I don't ask too much of you. Just do me this one thing. Make sure you're sending this to your mama, your daddy, your brother, sister, friend of another friend, little Johnny and little Timmy. And don't forget about your little cousin and little Ray Ray and little Susie, friend of another friend, baby mama cousin. Make sure you're sending this to everybody, including all of them. You understand me? Hey, show your boy some love now. Don't be keeping these gems to yourself now. But without further ado, hey, did you read the title? It's Motivational Monday. Yes, Motivational Monday. Hey, did you miss it? Hey, I missed it. Hey, we back to our regular scheduled programming. You understand me? So you can be expecting weekly Motivational Mondays. Again, yes, you can be expecting weekly Sports Talk with Relly. Yes, and you can be expecting weekly either an interview coming every Sunday or I'm sorry, y'all. I'm so sorry. Usually I've been bad. So if you watch the interview, all right, I've been bad with my phone going off and ringing. I'm so sorry. But anyway, we moving on. Hey, your boy every Sunday also is either I'm going to be bringing you an interview with somebody or having a special guest on, or I will be giving you more and more information about building generational wealth. So make sure you stay tuned for all that. All right. Understand me. All right. Stay tuned. And make sure you don't miss an episode because guess what? I got gems for that ass and gems for the masses. Yes. Hey, you ready? You ready for Motivational Monday? And hey, once again, I'm sorry. I know I got to make sure my phone is turned off. All right. It won't happen again. All right. I'm sorry. Okay. All right. You forgive me? Anyway. Hey, let me talk to you. Let me be for real for a second. Listen up. You ready? Are you ready? All right. Seriously. If you read the title, that means you're ready for this Motivational Monday. It's simple. And really, it comes down to this. Steady and consistent. Doing the work, but not rushing the thing. Living in the moment. Building a foundation for the future. That's the recipe. So let me say it again. Being steady and consistent. Not really rushing the thing. Being patient. Living in the moment. Living every day. And also building a foundation. That's the recipe. You know what that's the recipe for? Success. You know what that's the recipe for? Your success. You know what that's the recipe for? You having a successful life. You understand me? So listen here. Let me break it down to you. Steady and consistent. Man, you have to be consistent in every single thing that you do in this world and every single thing that you do in this life. All right, you understand me? At the end of the day, consistency, hey, it's going to get you further than anything in this world. You waking up and showing up every single day will get you farther than anything. You waking up and putting your foot in front of the other foot and then putting that foot in front of the other foot and then doing that again and again, day after day, week after week, month after month, year after year. You showing up every single day for yourself. I guarantee you will see the benefits of it down the road. You have to show up, baby. You have to put a smile on your face and you got to be happy and you got to really, really want it. You got to be consistent, man. Consistency in being steady. Hey, sometimes, You can be consistent and go downhill a little bit. That's okay. You can be consistent and go up here. Yeah, always. That's the goal. You can be consistent and come back down here. Yeah, that's okay. But hey, I need you to do this though, majority of the time. I need you to go down that straight path. I need you to be focused more than you unfocused. I need you to be positive more than you negative. I need you to focus on you more than you focusing on others. I need you to make sure that you, when you look at yourself every single day, when you go down, before you lay your head down on that bed, was I consistent? Did I put one foot in front of the other today? Was I able to get the most out of my day today? Did I get 1% better today? Did I improve today? I don't know. You got to ask yourself these questions. And these questions are the questions that will take yourself to that next level. And these questions are the questions that you need to answer for yourself, because these are the questions that will help you reach that next level. These are the questions and the things that you can ask yourself that's going to be beneficial for you, because it's self-reflection, it's self-evaluation, and it's self-work. You got to work on yourself, man. You got to do the work. And you being steady and consistent, you doing the work, putting the work in day after day, showing up for yourself, showing up for the thing that you want, showing up for your goals and your dreams and your unique journey that's uniquely yours. You showing up and embracing that journey, loving that journey. Hey, the ups and the downs, the roller coaster that this life gonna throw you on, you have to embrace it. You have to enjoy it. The downs, the highs. At the end of the day, it's gonna work itself out. It's gonna be okay. Patience is key. I guarantee you, you're gonna get everything that you want. Live in the moment. Be present. Be there for your ups and your downs. Be there. Feel every single part of the success, the wins. Feel every single part of the losses, the lessons. Because at the end of the day, you are never losing. You ain't never losing. Everything that happens in this life is either a lesson or a blessing. It's either it was meant to teach you something or it was meant to propel you for something. You understand me? At the end of the day, man, hey, this life is yours. Hey, I know you want more for yourself. I know you want the big house. I know you want the car. I know you want the family. I know you want certain things for yourself. And you can attain these things for yourself. You can attain everything that you want for yourself and for your family, for your people that you have in your life. You can attain everything that you want by doing these simple things. You can attain everything that you want by doing these simple things, man. More of the story is, man, you have to set yourself up and build a foundation. You living in the moment, you being consistent, you doing the work. These are the things that's going to set up a foundation for you to be successful. These are the things that's going to set up a foundation for your future. These are the things that's going to propel you. And these are the things that's a part of the secret recipe to success. The secret recipe to success is you being consistent, you doing the work, you showing up every day, you being patient, you putting the days together, you stacking good days, you getting better one day at a time. The keys to success are at your fingertips. The keys to success are simple and not to be really hidden or not to be buried away like a secret treasure. The secrets to success are in you. The secrets to success are at your fingertips every single day. You can be successful if you want to. Google something that's gonna make you be consistent. Google something that's gonna help you get out of the funk that you in. Google something that's gonna help you go to that next level. Use the internet. Use the tools that you have on a regular basis. Read. Put the books down. Put the drugs. Put the weed down. Put whatever is hindering you down. Put things down that's not helping you be successful and start using the things that are meant to help you be successful, like this computer that you carry around with you every day that you can use for literally anything. At the end of the day, use your resources. Use your resource to propel you to be steady, to be consistent, to work hard, to do the work, to live in the moment, to be patient, to build a foundation, to build a future for you. Hey, the world is yours, man. Your future is yours. It's just up to you to go get it. It's up to you to really fight for what you want. This life is so easy these days. In this life, I swear it's so easy these days to get caught up in the mess, to get caught up in the gossip, to get caught up in the things that don't matter. Stop worrying about the things that don't matter. At the end of the day, you know what's important. You know what's your why. You know what you're going after. You know what your goals, you know what your dreams are. You know. So why let these things like either excuses, either people, or just you and your procrastination, why let those things stop you from getting what you really want? It's you versus you every single day. Wake up and say, today we got to get 1% better. Today we got to be steady. Today we got to be consistent. Today we have to put in the work. Today we can't really rush. Today we got to be patient. Today we have to live in the moment. Today we have to work on building the foundation. Today we have to work on making the proper steps to build our future. To build my future, I got to make the proper steps. Today I have to get the work in. Today I have to put the work in. Today I have to grind. Today I have to work. Hey, today is your day. Today is the day that you can get and do all the things that you ever dreamed of. Today is the day that you can start. Today is the day. So make today the best day of your life, and make today the day where you go ahead, get some self-evaluation in. Go ahead, examine your life and where you at. Put things into perspective and set up yourself for success. Set up yourself for the things that's going to prepare you to that next level. Because you're ready for it. It's right there. So go get your success. Go be happy and go be you, the best version of you. Because at the end of the day, ain't nobody going to be you like you going to be you. God only made one of you. So, be uniquely you. Be smart, be intelligent, be beautiful, be kind, be gentle, be angry a little bit sometimes, be frustrated sometimes, be stubborn sometimes. But be you. Know yourself. Know all the little quirks that comes with you and embrace it. Love all those things. Love the curves. Love the stretch marks. Love the chipped tooth. Love the scars. Love the bruises. Love them. Love the invisible scars that you carry within you. Love the little pieces that's broken within you that people can't see. Love every inch of you. Love every part of you. But love you. And at the end of the day, if you can love you, hey, you're going to be all right. So love you some you. And hey, you're going to be just fine. Be consistent. Be patient. Build a foundation for the future. Build a foundation for yourself. Be happy. Smile. And hey, go get your success, man. And yes, it has been a very, very passionate Motivational Monday. So I'm going to leave it right there. But hey, don't be afraid to go after what you want. Don't be afraid to chase your dreams. And don't be afraid to go be successful. And yeah, it's just like that. Nah. Yeah, it's like that. Hey, welcome back to the RellyGemz podcast. And welcome back to Motivational Mondays. Deuces. We out. Come back for more. Hey, did you miss me? Hey, we live now, really.